Get ready for some wow on the Signature Mike Show. We are on the ground we are in the air in our community. I am here today with Bravo Air, with Pamela Davison of Bravo Air. Thank you for inviting us into your private jet.
You're welcome. I'm so excited that you're here. Isn't this fun?
It's so fun. I hope that I keep my wherewithal to ask the right questions, because this is just an amazing experience.
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh.
We are about 10,000 feet up in the air right now and climbing.
Oh my gosh.
It's a gorgeous day. The sun is out.
It is a beautiful day in Augusta, overlooking Augusta.
Smooth as silk. How'd you like that takeoff?
Oh, it was just so smooth, smoother than any commercial flight I've ever taken. It was just amazing. The whole experience so far, I mean, coming to your hangar and coming on, not having to go through TSA, not having to wait in those lines, not having to wait. You wait at every interval. Here, we came right on. We saw your amazing greeting place, your lobby, your offices. Just absolutely amazing.
Yes.
And just when you get on a private jet, I mean, you feel like, it's a wow. That's what we're all about.
It is a wow. And, the TSA piece is done before you ever get here.
Yes.
So you remember yesterday we got some information from you, and we put that into our system. So we do all the vetting before you ever step on the plane, so you don't have to wait for us.
Yeah, it was
We're
amazing.
ready when you get here.
You were ready. You were so ready for us, and we were ready. We're so excited.
Yeah.
My crew here today, we're just so enjoying this experience. It is like no other. I have to say,
It is. It's special. And we have nice refreshments for you.
Yes, we opened a bottle of champagne.
I don't think we cheers yet.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers to you. Yes, you have a basket of goodies, of treats and things that you normally see only in first class on the airplanes. Not all the time.
Right.
Not if, but here it's whatever goes.
Right here, we have our standard set, which is just a nice basket of assorted snacks. We have this is our custom chocolates that we have made that we give all of our guests. And we have some custom chocolate bars. We bring on sushi, charcuterie, whatever your heart desires, we deliver.
You didn't get my order for caviar and pizza?
That's for the next flight.
Okay.
So yesterday we had a flight for a lady who was turning 50 years old, and they were going on a birthday vacation. And we decorated this whole plane with tinsel and balloons that lit up and a happy birthday sign that was illuminated. We had bottles of champagne everywhere.
Oh, wow.
She was tickled pink.
No doubt. What an experience. It's all about the experience.
Right.
I mean, let's face it. We don't do anything anymore. Going to a restaurant, it's about an experience.
That's right.
So this is just amazing.
And our job is to elevate that experience and exceed your expectations. So when her husband called and said, hey, can you do something for us? I don't know quite what to do, but I want to celebrate her. Maybe a happy birthday sign. I was like, got it.
I got you.
We got you. And we just took it up 10 notches.
I love it.
And got a lot of pictures back, and they just had a great time.
I love it. I have to say, you being a woman, I just think your attention to detail is probably better than if a man was running this company too. I'm just saying.
Well, I would like to think that I do put a special touch on things. I think I do push the envelope a little higher when it comes to those finer details.
Yes.
And just the Southern charm and the hospitality piece. And the heart, so that you can feel that we put a lot of care into what we curated for that trip.
Yes, and you have a lot of planes, jets, and props at your disposal, too, that you own.
Oh, yes. Well, we have, we manage aircraft for owners, and we also have access to any aircraft your heart desires to fly.
I see.
Through our brokerage abilities.
I see.
So, even if we don't have that aircraft here in Augusta, we can get you in the aircraft that you need to complete your mission.
That's amazing. Yeah, you have you have all these arms of things that you do.
We do.
That you're so connected in
We
aviation.
have a vast network that we are tapped into with discounts and extraordinary people behind all the teams that we partner with.
Yes, and we've talked before, because you are Augusta grounded. Yeah. You don't have to pay all of those services that other private companies have to pay when they come and go out of Augusta.
Yeah, so we're a tenant in Augusta, and what that means is that's our home. Yeah. So especially during like golf week and when things get really busy in Augusta, sometimes other private aircraft will get diverted and they might have to land somewhere else and drive to Augusta.
Yes.
That does not happen to us for congestion because we have a place to park. We have hangars.
Yes.
It's our home. And then we also don't pay the landing fees that other people pay
Yes.
because we're a tenant all year long. We're leasing space there, and so our landing fees are already included as part of our, being a tenant at Augusta Regional Airport.
I love it. When we got on the plane, one of your two pilots that are flying us right now, he gave us an overall safety briefing, telling us where the escape doors are, the emergency doors, seat belts, all of that.
Yes.
And then they spoke to air traffic control and got us up. And so I was asking you some things that I thought was really cool. You are friends with the air traffic control. I mean, to you and me, they seem elusive. Like they're these robots that are up in these towers, but they're actual people that you guys know.
Yeah.
And you said you host different events during the year for those people. So you're a family as well.
Yeah.
That's so interesting that you're a team of people that work together.
We do, and it all comes together. So you've got linemen, you've got air traffic control, you've got our management team at the airport, and we all work together to have a great experience and a safe experience. So we have gotten to know each other quite well, and we do a barbecue appreciation for all the support staff, the TSA, the FBO, the linemen, ATC, and we invite them into the hangar. And this December, we brought a food truck in, a barbecue food truck, and just welcomed everybody in and told them thank you for all they do for us.
I think that's your attention to detail right there. I mean, you just appreciate your whole team and your expanded team that all work together that make a safe flight. I mean, it's not only safety is important.
Right.
We want the luxury, we want the VIP treatment, but the safety is a big thing too.
It is, and it takes a lot of people to make that happen.
Yeah. Thank you for having us up today in the air. I hope you enjoy. This was certainly some wow today.
Well, cheers.
Cheers. We'll be right back.